fangs are eating, dinner's cooked, they're eating, they're into it. I'll have to go get one at least, there'll be none left. Man, what an afternoon, look at this. Does it get any better? West coast of Western Australia, obviously, watching the sun go down over water. Where else would you want to be? Beautiful weather. You know, we're not far off winter, and we still haven't had rain, so we can't have a campfire, but views like this, you don't need it. As per normal, kids run, bolt, leave me to do the dishes. Lucky it's easy tonight. I think these got used. Absolutely beautiful. Doesn't get much better, eh? How is it, eh? It's hard to believe I've got two teenage boys with me. It's so peaceful. There's quite a few people up the beach there. You can see all the lights fishing. But I'm just enjoying. I don't think I need to fish. Just enjoying the moment. Check it. Gotta say, it's pretty good camping with kids. You don't see them. They took off up the dune to supposedly get sunset photos or whatever they do, and yeah, haven't seen them. And it's pretty dark, you see out there, so sunset's over. Oh well, peace and quiet for me. Right, the boys are all over there in their swags. I'm going to climb up in the rooftop and crash. Bugs are out, so it's getting a bit annoying. Luckily the lights are on orange, but yeah, they're still coming around. So yeah, see you guys in the morning. Good morning. Beautiful night's sleep. Just listening to the waves. Wasn't too bad. Had no traffic come past. I was expecting to hear a few cars early, people fishing, but no. There's a boat out there cruising around. Oh, kids are still in their swag, so just keep a little bit low key. Magic morning, absolutely magic. Check this out, Eve. How good, eh? Oh, see how that boat coming. Just making myself a coffee. Oh, a little bit nippy. Oh, need some hair. Keep me warm for winter. Oh. Oh, something just jumped out there. I'll get it drying up, maybe. I don't know if I've got enough battery. Well, they're up and they're hungry. It's time to feed the animals at the zoo. It's pretty cool watching those dolphins have a bit of a fight. I'm cooking pancakes for one, eggs and bacon roll for the other. It's on. Cook a fight. I don't normally cook this much when it's by myself. I'll just have coffee. Yum. There's the bacon. Beef. Yeah. Here comes the sun. Boys are trying their luck again. Looks like the boys have had enough. They're packing up. Want to go? No fish. They're bored. Oh, might as well start packing up too then. Little bits and pieces. All packed up, time to hit the road.